Modes of transport.
Movement of people or goods from one place to another is called transport, and vehicles used for this transport are called modes of transport. Some vehicles are slow vehicles, some are fast, and some are very fast vehicles. Examples of slow vehicles are bicycle, cycle rickshaw, bullock cart, and boat. These vehicles are very slow in their speed, and therefore they are used to travel short distances. Some fast moving vehicles are scooter, motorbike, auto rickshaw, car, bus, and truck. These fast moving vehicles have machine inside it, and this is called engine, and these vehicles are pulled by engines. Very fast vehicles. Children, there are some vehicles like aeroplane, helicopter, and spacecraft. They travel with a very great speed, so they are called very fast moving vehicles. फ्यूल। बच्चों, हमें एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? फूड से, यानी कि भोजन खाने से हमें एनर्जी मिलती है। वैसे ही गाड़ियों को चलने के लिए भी एनर्जी चाहिए, और वो एनर्जी उनको मिलती है फ्यूल से। हम बहुत सारे फ्यूल जैसे कि डीजल, पेट्रोल, कोल, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड सीएनजी, इनका यूज़ करके गाड़ियों को चलाते हैं। But burning of coal, diesel and petrol emits a lot of smoke, and this smoke causes air pollution. But some vehicles use CNG and electricity as a fuel, and they do not cause air pollution. Vehicles used in cities and villages. Children, we know that people use different types of vehicles according to their needs. People living in big cities use all types of vehicles. For example, bicycle, scooters, auto rickshaw, cars, buses, and local trains. And in some very big cities, we also have monorails and metro trains. Children, did you see this? Lot of traffic jams occur in cities. Traffic jams are caused when there are too many vehicles on the road at the same time and people stuck in traffic jams. These create lot of noise and called noise pollution. But in villages, people travel on bicycle, bullock carts, horse carts, scooters, and small cars. Therefore, there is no or very less amount of noise pollution or air pollution. Reduce pollution and save fuel. Children, now let us know some measures to reduce this air pollution and to save our fuel. Use bicycle to go to nearby place. You can also use vehicles that runs on CNG or electricity. We can use public transport such as buses and local trains instead of our private cars. We can also encourage carpooling, and for the best of it, we can plant more and more trees that helps to reduce noise pollution as well as purifies air. Thank you.